Welcome to Learning in Limestone. Our goal, success for all.
Queen's Tech and Tinker and Robotics trailer is traveling across the school district, bringing STEM activities to students. Today on Learning in Limestone, we'll see how these activities support science, technology, engineering, and math-related activities. This Tech and Tinker trailer is a part of Queen's University Engineering, and the team has been traveling across schools in Limestone this year. Can you tell me what this mobile classroom is outfitted with?
Yeah, so the Tech and Tinker trailer is a 24-foot cargo trailer that has been outfitted as a mobile classroom. So on the inside we've got both high and low technologies. So the students are often working with 3D design software, 3D printers. We also build circuits and then do some coding and programming with microcontrollers as well.
How is this program developed?
So this program was developed because we saw a need in the community for some STEM outreach. So the trailer is really nice because it allows us to bring the engineering experience to different schools within the Limestone District School Board. So it gives us a great opportunity to bring that experience to classes and schools that would otherwise not be able to make it to Queen's campus.
Why is this investment important?
This is a really important investment because we feel like the skills that the students are developing and using in the trailer are skills that they can bring forward with them into their futures. So we're looking at different problem solving and collaboration, communication skills. Also just sort of in general, it's a really great opportunity for students to be exposed to engineering well before they reach the high school years when they're deciding what they need to do after they're finished school.
You've been doing this for a year now. What are some of the highlights of this program that you've noticed?
There's so many to choose from. I think that I've got one of the best jobs, and so I really love seeing when kids work together. I really like seeing or hearing feedback from teachers that maybe a marginalized student in the classroom has had some really great successes in the trailer working with some of our technology, so it provides them an opportunity to shine. And I always say that the kids have way better ideas than I ever do, so it's always really great to see what they come up with when we're inside the space.
Can you tell us a little bit about what you've been working on here?
Okay, so we've done a whole bunch of things. So we've done like the microbits, we've done the little dash bots, we've done actually quite a bit. Today I decided, because we had to do a portable machine, and me and my partner just made it simple. Took a piece of cardboard and took the microbit with some elastics, bent the cardboard, and then put the elastics over it and the microbit. It worked. We could transfer it really easy, and it's fun being able to work with the trailer and all this stuff.
Why is learning coding important?
Well, it's important because we wouldn't have the camera, we wouldn't have a lot of the computers and stuff in the trailer.
Right. What have you been working on today?
We have been working on robots, dash robots.
Very cool. And how do you make them move?
We have to program them with drive, if we press that, there's forward, move backwards, turn left, and turn right.
A list of commands, yeah. And what's been your favorite part about this project?
Working with my partner and having fun and doing obstacle courses.
What all have you learned?
I have learned how to program it, how to bring them to command. I've learned how to make them repeat, and cause here there's other things here control, that's how I learned how to repeat it.
Do you think you might consider this as a future career?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah?
Because it's fun, and when I grow up, maybe I can teach Rideau Heights or somebody.
Thank you to Rideau Heights for their expert demo of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, and to Queen's Engineering for their Tech and Tinker trailer, which really does bring learning alive.
Learning in Limestone is brought to you by the Limestone District School Board.